Alright guys, we're out here at the Severn Bridge Derby. Beautiful day, nice and warm out. Let's take a look at some of the cars here and then we'll take you over to the main area and go take a look over there. Oh, look at that. The first one, Mike. What are the chances of that, eh? The Rust Ranger. Look at the steel reinforcements on the door here. Ranger, let's go. I like it. All right, let's go check some of these guys out. Look at the tires on this thing. These are Bobcat tires. Skid steer tires. It's the old van. Actually, not that old. There's the kids class there. Got the Kraken mobile here. I'm following this guy making his own video too. Look at this thing. This thing is awesome. Look at it. They're already so beat up, eh? I heard it's better when they're beat up. Look at this thing, man. We got all the vloggers out here today. Super fun day out here, guys. Everyone's out here. This is when the most people in this town ever come together. Oh yeah, the old Avenger. Plan B. Awesome. He's even got the merch on too. Awesome. Good luck. Oh, and look at that one right there, boys. Whoa. Skokie mobile here. Shout out Skokie, boys.
Attention, ladies and gentlemen, in the pit area. That would be the top of the ramp.
There's the man himself right there, Adam.
If you do not have an Edge Motorsports pit pass, please make your way to the outside of the ring.
The Skokie mobile, buddy. Let's go. Look at this thing. Oh yeah. Bare bones.
We're going to get the last couple things in order. And we're going to be getting ourselves
got some food trucks
underway.
out here. There's the main arena over there.
This would be a good chance to warm yourselves up. Clap those hands and let the drivers hear you.
Alright guys, we're going to go head over there and go check that out in a second, so see you there. Alright guys, we got a few more cars to look at here. This one's pretty cool. White Lightning. Good luck, buddy. All right, we're going down to the main area here.
So all three of you got good vantage points from up top. We got Stash Kitty, 57 Entertainment, and Chris
we got all the trophies over here.
Again, if you're looking to see this over and over again, Look up Chris Hollywood on Facebook.
Look at
Chris
that.
Hollywood Derby DVDs. 57 Entertainment, Smash Kitty, or Redneck Rockers on YouTube.
All right, so we're gonna wait for these guys to get going here, and we'll be right back.
Sponsored by Bedard Towing. Coming into the ring, we have car number 624, Nick Bedard, also from South River. Let's give it up for him. Also sponsored by Bedard Towing. Again, in the last car number 3, we got Dave Sanders, sponsored by My Wallet. Ladies and gentlemen, this would be your one that's right this second. He's bringing his mini car to play with the full size. Let's hear it for Dave. For the last heat of the day, I am going to hand the microphone over so you guys enjoy. And
They look familiar. They had to stuff the carburetor.
sticks up. Are you ready? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Driver. Finishing third is number 624. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you again for joining us this year. We will see you again next year. Please drive home safe.
All right, that's it, everyone. Thanks for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe.